Hey Pueblo, I do not like it when you try to kill me.
I am sorry, killer, it is a forcible habit.
Well, that's not what you do at my house. I try to kill you.
I'm planning to kill you though.
Do you think we should just solve this problem?
Yes, how do you think we will do so?
I think we should kill Bucks dude.
Sounds good.
Hugo Ys vil never be able to get me. Ever.
Ha, that's funny, we will get to you before you think.
Y er right.
Watch us.
Come and get me her planlets killere.
Yeah, right after we get you, Blocks dude.
Uhyt og oktav ulfikse og rytting.
Haha, of course not. What do you think I am?
Jord er killernot af mordyr.
In both, ha 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 ha.
OK fine Nilius dron.
Okay then, I got you.
No you har no chance i en boks dude.
I can still catch you.
No you can't.
I bet I can.
By.
Here I come.
I fail med when you try to get me.
Why?
Because im skarret.
Well, we could go after you when you're not expecting it.
Vel it stiltigsame.
Not exactly, you wouldn't know we were coming.
OK fine.
Yeah, you will never even notice.
She will eventually catch you.
Haha, in your dreams, Bucks dude.
In your dreams morlige because her igler ys.
Okay, I will catch you. I know it. You will never expect it.
OK let's just play with my puppies.
Sounds good. I will bring mine too.
Let's go now.